I need to go from here and transfer from here, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it 4? Oh, here, right here. I have to go to Chinatown. Hola amigos, buenas tardes from Mexico City. Because I want to continue to study my Spanish, so I went to the university to do the placement test this morning. I will let you know more details by the end of this video. It's still Chinese New Year today, so I'm in Chinatown right now, looking for some proper Chinese food.
If you take my hand, I'll bite you real hard. Feel like I'm about to burst, howling inside. Staring at the ceiling, picture never captured. Kisses nothing like ice cream, heart taken. With a message never ending, ever stop. With the enemy basking in the dark. Shooting, preaching, sunny side laking. Never gonna stop the light, break it, pop ticking.
Should I go Burger King to play safe? Alright, 1963. Let me try this one. Lime on everything. Let me try the tea. It's a little bit different, but okay. I haven't had wonton and barbecue pork for so long. That wonton soup was a bit different, but okay, so I can order more. I thought it's a fake soup, but it's quite watery. And this fake crab meat is spring roll. No way it will go wrong. The food is not bad. Maybe I'll come back again. Now it's almost 5 o'clock. I hope it's not rush hour yet. I want to get the top-up card, but they said I'm not able to get it from the metro station, so I bought this one for 5 peso for 1 way. I'm going back home now, and I will pick up some groceries on my way back. I have been spending so much money in Zacatecas for the last 2 days, so I think I'll be well behaved this month. But at this moment, it's no harm to do some window shopping.
Since I was a child, now it's showing its ugly face. What can I do? Music creeps into my dreams.
Let's talk about what happened this morning. I went to a university called La Salle. It's a private university. It's recommended by my housemate Liz from Guanajuato. They have Spanish course over there for foreigner. She has studied there and she found that the course was very professional. So I think I would give it a try. I want to try a different method to see which way I can benefit the most. They have 3 weeks intensive course, which is 3 hours in the morning, Monday to Friday. The total is around 45 hours. They also have another one, which is semi-intensive course for 5 weeks. You only go 3 times a week, and each class is 1.5 hours. I think you go like in the afternoon or in the evening. The class size is around 3 to 8 people. Besides, they also offer private class that you can do it in the school, in your workplace, or at home. The one I enroll is the 3 weeks intensive course, so I will go into more details about it. For that program, it has 5 levels: A1, A2, B1, B2, and C1. Okay, each level consists 2 intensive courses. I'm interested to know if there are people who can finish C1 in 1 year. If you want to study there, you need to look at the annual schedule first. It will tell you the first and last day of the course. It is different from language school, which you can just go on Monday and study there for a week. And for this university, you need to plan ahead. On the schedule, it also tells you the date of the placement task. It's usually around 2 days. However, I suggest you to email them ahead to confirm the hours. So what do you need for registration? Very simple, just download the form online, fill it in, send it along with your passport copy. I sent them 1 week before I went there, but I saw some people just did it on the spot. The location that I went was outside the university building. It is a very pretty pink house and the interior design is very classic. It doesn't look like a school at all. Let's go into the placement test. They had a gentleman came to talk to me, very casual talk just for a few minutes, and then he gave me the placement test. There were 45 multiple choice questions, and there are 2 very short compositions that you have to write. For the 45 questions, I could answer the first 20 questions confidently. The rest consists past tense, which I've never learned, so I was just guessing the answer. I didn't pay too much attention about the time. I just finished paper and then gave it back to them, and then I need to wait for the result. It didn't take too long at all. So they put me in the part 2 of A1. I wasn't too surprised because I was very laid back in the last 2 months and I don't want to push myself too hard. Otherwise, I have no time to do sightseeing or do video. After I had my result, they sent me to pay for the tuition. It is 6,100 peso, which is around 320 US dollars. The price was different than what I saw previously. They said they amend the price for 2019, which is around 7%. Well, in average, it's around $7 per hour, so I think it's still not bad. I'm so glad that they take credit card because I don't have enough cash for the new price. Okay, the best part, even though I will be studying there for only 3 weeks, I can use their facilities, for example, like computer center, Wi-Fi, library, cafeteria. But the most important thing is I can use the gym for free. For the last 2 months, I had too much hot chocolate in Guanajuato. I feel so heavy and I really need to sweat. Before I went to La Salle, I checked out the gym next to my Airbnb. It was a very nice gym. It has a swimming pool, many group classes, and like just a very nice gym, very big gym. However, it is $123 a month. So the school really helped me to save a fortune. And the school also has a swimming pool which I can use with a very small fee. Oh, it also includes student clinics, but I don't think I want to use that. So on Monday, I can collect my student card and enjoy my benefits. For that, you need to send them a photo by email or give them a hard copy. For housing, the school can assist you with that. It will be in a homestay within a walking distance. You can also ask for a meal plan, but you need to prepare for 1 month deposit. As mentioned in my previous videos, I don't like to be in a homestay, so I don't bother to ask for the price at all. As usual, I will be doing a monthly review on my study. It should be at the beginning of March. Please subscribe if you would like to know more. Normally I upload twice a week, unless I'm traveling from place to place, like last Monday. Besides, I will do a cost of living of Mexico City, also around at the beginning of March. Meanwhile, I need to edit this video and organize the footage that I took in Zacatecas. So until next time, bye.